Lesotho, a country unlike almost any other on Earth, a nation completely surrounded by another country, hidden inside South Africa, a land of towering mountains, breathtaking landscapes, remote villages, and one of the most unique geographic locations in the world. Yet despite this incredible fact, most people know almost nothing about Lesotho. When people talk about moving abroad, they mention Canada, Australia, Germany, the United Kingdom, or the Gulf countries. But Lesotho? Almost nobody talks about it. And that raises an important question. Could one of Africa's most unique countries offer opportunities that the rest of the world completely overlooks? Because sometimes the opportunities that change lives are hidden in places nobody is paying attention to. But before you get excited, there is something important you need to understand. The Lesotho you see in travel videos and the Lesotho you experience as a foreign worker can be two completely different realities. The internet shows beautiful mountains, traditional culture, scenic valleys, peaceful landscapes, and unique geographic locations. But it rarely shows the employment realities, the economic challenges, the cost of living, and the sacrifices required to build a future there. Because migration is not tourism, and living in Lesotho is completely different from visiting it. So today, we are going to uncover the complete reality of Lesotho Work Visa 2026, including jobs, salaries, cost of living, visa pathways, work culture, lifestyle realities, hidden challenges, and the psychological reality of building a future in one of Africa's most unusual countries. Because for some people, Lesotho could become a unique opportunity. But for others, it could become a reality they never expected. Now first, understand one important thing. Lesotho's economy is influenced by textiles and manufacturing, agriculture, construction, education, healthcare, retail services, transportation, public administration, water projects, and development programs. And honestly, its close relationship with South Africa affects many aspects of daily life and the economy. Now let's talk about the capital, Maseru, the political and economic center of the country, a city where much of the country's business activity takes place. And honestly, many visitors are surprised by how different life feels compared to larger African cities. But now comes the important truth. Living in a country surrounded by another nation does not automatically create an easy life, because migration is not geography. It is about employment, financial stability, adaptation, legal status, and emotional resilience. Now let's talk about jobs. This is where reality becomes important. Opportunities may exist in manufacturing, textiles, construction, education, healthcare, administration, logistics, retail services, infrastructure projects, and development-related sectors. And honestly, some foreign professionals find opportunities in specialized industries and international projects. But now comes the reality many YouTubers avoid discussing. Opportunity does not automatically mean easy employment. Employers still expect qualifications, experience, communication skills, professionalism, and reliability. And honestly, the strongest opportunities usually go to people with valuable skills and experience. Now let's talk about salaries. Depending on profession and experience, workers may earn $400 to $4,500 plus per month, while highly specialized professionals may earn considerably more. And honestly, income levels vary significantly depending on industry and employer. But now comes the reality, cost of living, because this is where many newcomers are surprised. Housing costs vary. Imported goods can be expensive. Transportation costs matter. And honestly, Your ability to save money depends heavily on your lifestyle and employment situation. Now let's talk about work culture. Respect matters. Community matters. Relationships matter. Professionalism matters. And honestly, adaptability becomes one of the most valuable skills a foreign worker can possess. Because workplace success often depends on communication, professionalism, flexibility, cultural understanding, and long-term commitment. Now let's talk about visas. Most foreign workers enter through employer-sponsored work permit pathways. And honestly, preparation matters, research matters, contract understanding matters, and realistic expectations matter. Now let's discuss something social media rarely shows: the emotional reality. Because this is the side most migration videos ignore. Imagine moving thousands of kilometers away from home, far away from your family, far away from everything familiar. That sounds exciting, but it can become emotionally exhausting. Homesickness, loneliness, pressure, isolation, and honestly, many migrants experience these challenges regardless of how attractive the destination appears. Now, here's another uncomfortable truth. Some people move abroad believing that a unique country automatically creates success. But success depends on much more than location, because success abroad depends on adaptability, discipline, resilience, financial planning, emotional strength, and long-term thinking. Now, here's the biggest mistake people make. They compare countries through travel videos, tourism advertisements, social media posts, and success stories. That is dangerous, because migration is not entertainment. Real migration means sacrifice, uncertainty, patience, adaptation, and continuous growth. And honestly, this reality surprises many people after arrival. Now, Lesotho is not for unrealistic migration fantasies, instant success expectations, or people looking for shortcuts. Lesotho is more about adaptability, resilience, professional growth, realistic expectations, and long-term planning. And for the right person, that may become a truly unique life experience. Because the truth is, some people spend years chasing famous destinations, while others quietly build meaningful opportunities in countries the world rarely notices. So the final decision depends on you, your mindset, your skills, your adaptability, your qualifications, and your long-term goals. Lesotho may be one of Africa's most overlooked countries, but for the right person, it can offer experiences and opportunities far beyond what most people imagine. And sometimes, the opportunities that change lives are hidden in places almost nobody is paying attention to. If you want deep global analysis and practical insights about countries, visas, immigration, cost of living, jobs, salaries, student pathways, and real-life opportunities, make sure you subscribe to The World Guide, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments so you can plan smarter for your future.